Hello, today we're going to look at our Permit Guide email assistant. We've designed Email Assistant to help with incoming emails. So when folks have questions, they send a ton of email to the Permit Center. And these emails can be simple, can be complex, they can be quick to answer, or they can require a ton of research. So we've built our email assistant to help folks who work in the Permit Center managed by generating draft answers for the employees, the permit techs, the reviewers, anyone who's interacting with a homeowner, a developer, a contractor, or otherwise a customer. So the idea is, instead of doing all this research, we click a button, generate a draft response. So now the person is tasked with answering this email can look at a generated draft that first acknowledges the question, actually does the work of looking up the address, finding out what the zoning is for this address, and adding that to the context of the answers, and then going through and parsing those questions one by one and providing detailed answers, again with citations, just like the chat assistant gives citations, just so that people can follow that thread and click and see the code for themselves or see the guidance that the city has published. And then it just kind of breaks down each of the questions that was asked and provides an answer from whatever source is most appropriate, and then provides guidance about next steps. That's the power of this email generated, this AI generated drafting. And the best part about this is that because it's a draft, now the expert, that domain expert that really knows their stuff, can look at this draft and say, well, we should have added this, new piece of code, or this new has a more careful answer, or they can issue more commands to the AI to make the answer shorter, maybe change the tone, or add a specific. Either way, with every change, the system learns, and every time there is a feedback loop, such as a change in the draft, or just an explicit thumbs up, thumbs down, or something to that effect, the answers will get better over time, the more feedback are built into it. So just like the chat assistant, it is a learning system that makes life easier and much faster for folks in the permit center, provide really good, helpful answers to customers, and then learn over time in order to keep providing help to everyone that needs it. So thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, email us at info@govstream.ai. Thank you.